Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are starting with our very first video series on Proxmox. So we are going to do some videos that's going to show you how to install Proxmox, how to do your initial configuration, how to create your first virtual machine, and how to upload ISOs. So stay tuned. The objective of today's video would be to download Proxmox and burn it to a thumb drive, install Proxmox on a server. Basically, you can install Proxmox on any machine, that is old desktop, old laptop, or any kind of server laying around that you are not utilizing and turn it into a virtual hypervisor. Proxmox is a great choice as it is free of cost and open source. Though VMware does provide a free version of ESXi, but it comes with some limitations of CPU and memory. To download Proxmox, we shall be going to proxmox.com, the official website of Proxmox, and under that we shall be going to the downloads section. Under downloads we have multiple options and we shall be downloading the Proxmox Virtual Environment here, the ISO images, and we shall be downloading the latest version of Proxmox, that is 7.4-1. Click on download. It shall start downloading the Proxmox image onto your system. I have already kept it downloaded on my machine, so I will cancel this here and start creating the bootable pen drive. For creating the bootable pen drive, I shall be using a software called Power ISO. Under it, go to Tools, create bootable USB drive, and select the image. Select the destination drive and click on Start. I have already created the bootable drive, so let's go to the installation part. So I have inserted my thumb drive into my server and have booted it up. So that's the first screen that we get after the server boots. Let's hit enter on install Proxmox VE. Here we need to accept the end user license agreement. Click I agree. Select the target hard disk. So it's my SPCC SSD that I am using for for installation as a target drive. Click next. Enter your country. So I am in India. So I will select India here. The time zone it's auto populated. That's Asia or Kolkata. And keyboard layout is US for me. Click next. Select a strong password here. And your email ID. Click next. Select your management interface. So I have one interface on my server, so that's why I do not have any other option. The host name. So give it a name Proxmox. Let's move this. Proxmox1 dot local. The IP address. So I'm using 192.168.1.11 here. Default gateway would be 1.1, and the DNS server would be same 192.168.1.1. Click next, and let's start the installation. The installation is going to take some time, so I'm gonna pause this video here for some time until the installation completes. So my installation is around 95% complete. Let's wait for it to get 100% complete and then server to reboot. Let's click reboot. Oh, here we should be removing the bootable ISO drive so that it doesn't gets booted from the USB drive again. Once your server reboots, you should get a screen like this that indicates the IP address that you had configured during the installation process along with the port number on which we can browse the server. Let's see if we can log in into the server using this IP address and the port. So for that, I'm going to open my browser on my desktop and enter the IP address and the port number. Let's see. Enter. Enter the credentials. The username is root and the password. Click login. Once we log in, we see everything in green. Here's our storage, our server details. The disk is 2.6% utilized, memory is 7.4% utilized, CPU, we have 12 cores of CPU and the uptime is 16 minutes. So that's about today's video. In the next video, I'm gonna create few VMs here and demonstrate how the process for the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, kindly do like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or other information, please leave it in the comments box. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.